Today, I'm making a mouth-watering, delicious, and easy Afghan Qabili Pulao in the pressure cooker. It's so simple, anyone can make it. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Please give it a try and let me know in the comments how you liked it. Let's begin. Add 1 cup of oil to the pressure cooker. Add 1 kilogram of veal shank and fry until golden brown. Add salt to taste. Add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Add 2 chopped onions. Pour in 5 cups of hot water. Close the lid and pressure cook until the meat is 90% cooked. In the meantime, julienne 5 carrots. Release the pressure and remove the meat. Add the rice to the broth. Place the meat back in, along with the julienned carrots and raisins. Make sure the water is about 1 centimeter above the rice. Pressure cook for 10 minutes on medium to high heat. After 10 minutes, open the lid. Your Qabili Pulao is ready to serve. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next week with another delicious recipe.